Hey everybody, I want to go through a few things that you can use that might help you with either using an iPad or just sharing information amongst other teachers, but it definitely translates into using using an iPad, maybe even if you're just trying to coordinate what you're doing with other members of your team, or even if you have, say, a parent or administrator that wants to know what are you doing, what's your plans. You can map everything out from year to year. You'll be able to share this with them, and then share it with other teachers, and also you guys can all edit it as well. So what we're looking at here is a Google Doc that was created by our chemistry team. And actually, this is I'll show you the one that we had been using last year. And so this was what we did is that we had our agenda, and then what we all did is that in different colors we put our own comments in there, sort of reflecting back on what we had done from the previous year. And so we made some notes about what we wanted to change. So that's kind of a nice thing that you can do really easily. And again, everyone can see your notes, and if you do different colors, you can do that. You can also add comments, which is great. And so you could add comments in there that actually won't affect any of the writing. And then so what we did is we looked at this in a recent workshop, and then we came up with our new agenda here. Now, if you're using a learning management system like we use Schoology, or we're planning on using Schoology next year, then what's nice is that you can just copy and paste whatever you have in here into your calendar function. So what I did, just kind of show you, one real advantage of the Google Doc is that you can have different links, you can have links to websites or videos in there, and when you copy and paste them into Schoology, all those links stay there. And so one advantage of this is that even if you re-image your computer, things like that, you're not going to lose your bookmarks or that site and that sort of thing, because you'll have them all saved in your Google Doc. So just to show you how this copies into the calendar function, what I did is I copied all this stuff here. So I copied it, and then I went into my Schoology page. And so my course is this pilot chemistry course. And let me go back here. And what I did is I clicked on the calendar here, or you could click Add Event. And then on this day, I double-clicked here, and I added everything as an event, and I just called it Density Day. It's taking a little bit longer, but that's kind of basically what I did. Is I typed in here Density Day, and I copied, and then I just pasted what I had in there, and that's how I created the event that day. So then when kids come in that day, they can click on this, or if they're gone, they can click on this and know exactly what our agenda was. This is what I would typically write on the board in the beginning of the day. And so then, if they want to try that assignment, then they can click on this, and this is the link for the online activity to help support density. And so then, so we've got that there. One thing that you could do as well is that you could use the same program I'm using now, QuickTime, and you could do a screen recording of you going through this. And that's exactly what I did for one of the videos that I've got in my YouTube channel. Before I knew about QuickTime, there was an app called Easy Screen Recorder Lite. So that's an app, so even if you don't have QuickTime on your computer, maybe there might be an app that can do the same thing. The one limitation of this Easy Screen Recorder app was that it was only 5 minutes. That was the maximum amount of time unless you wanted to pay for the full version. So, so that's how you would add. Your, what you have on your daily agenda into your calendar function really easily. And then also what you can do is you can create a YouTube channel, and that's what I did. My YouTube channel is called RMHS Chemistry, or actually RMHS Chem. And you can search for that if you wanted to. That's my YouTube channel. And again, what's nice about this is that you can create a YouTube channel for free, and it's something that you could use even if you don't have iPads. And it's a great way that if you use videos and um, whether they're your videos or someone else's videos, it's a really great way to organize them. One thing you can do as well is I think if you have to upgrade to Google Plus, then you can create playlists. So what I did is so for different videos that I have, so for instance for the gases units, these are all the videos that either I've created for the gases unit. These are all ones that I think I've created, except for this last one down here. What's really nice is that if once you're in a playlist, you can always add to that playlist. So this particular video here is one that I didn't create, but I added to my playlist. So what's also nice about this is, well, I think there's a lot of value to kids hearing your own voice and the way you explain things. There's also great supplemental videos, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So this is a video that you can add on to this, and so at the top of your playlist, you can click on Add Video, and you can do a video search, and it'll come up some. But usually, what I do is I find the video I like, and I click on URL, and I paste that into here and hit Add Video, and there it is. So again, it's a way that over the years, like I'll know there's a video I like, but sometimes finding it again is difficult. But once you create the YouTube channel, it's always going to be there, and again, it's always free. So even though that we're using Schoology, there are a few things that you can do that can help you as a team, also help you guys organize all your information and make sure you guys don't lose your information. Create a Google Doc that you can share. You can add links to videos, to websites in here. And what's great is that you can copy and paste this into at least Schoology. I'm not sure about Canvas or the other LMSs, but that's a great way that you can organize all your information and also not have to search for it every time that you want to find it. If you create a YouTube channel, for instance. Thanks for watching.